On the night of August 12, 2015, in the port city of Tianjin, China, a warehouse in the Binhainou area caught fire. At first, it seemed like one of those industrial fire calls. But at roughly 23:30 local time, the night sky lit up. Two massive explosions ripped through the facility, seconds apart, each one more devastating than the last. The sound traveled. The shockwaves registered like an earthquake. Massive fireballs ascended. Windows shattered miles away. People fled in panic as the sky glowed orange and black.
The warehouse stored hundreds of tons of hazardous chemicals. What began as a fire turned into something far worse. As the blaze spread, reactive materials detonated. In one blast, an estimated 800 tons of ammonium nitrate exploded. The energy unleashed stunned the city. Steel containers were hurled, cars were flipped, warehouses collapsed. The scale of destruction was so immense that satellites captured the mushrooming fireball in space.
When the dust settled, the toll was grim. 173 people were officially reported dead, including 104 firefighters, the largest casualty figure for frontline rescuers in modern Chinese history. Hundreds more were injured. Entire residential blocks were damaged. Thousands of families were displaced. The blast crater scarred the land. The port's logistic hub was damaged, supply chains disrupted. The cost in human life and material loss surged deep into the billions.
A tragic convergence of errors and neglect. The warehouse's chemical inventory included highly dangerous substances stored illegally and in breach of safety regulations. Distance to populated areas was inadequate. Oversight was weak. Firefighters arrived without full information about the nature of the materials they faced. When they sprayed water, a chemical reaction accelerated the catastrophe. Investigations later exposed a culture of risk: containers mislabeled, permissions expired, unknown quantities handled, and corners cut in pursuit of profit and growth.
In the wake of the explosions, emergency workers poured in. Soldiers, fire crews, volunteers. The smoke was toxic. The terrain unstable. Each step into the blast zone was a fight with heat, collapse risk, and chemical hazards. Amid the heroism, confusion reigned, missing documents, hampered communications, survivors searching through wreckage. The scene forced a recognition that modern disasters demand more than bravery, they demand preparation, clarity, and systems built for surprise.
Tianjin's port, once a symbol of rapid industrial expansion, became a cautionary tale. The catastrophe underscored that high-end risk lies anywhere hazardous goods are stored near people. From this disaster emerged urgent lessons. Hazardous materials must be stored with rigorous control and transparency. Emergency responders must know what lies behind the door before entering. Industrial growth must not outpace public safety. Communities need accountability, open information, and strong regulation.
Years later, portions of the blast site remain fenced off. Families still await full answers and reparations. The destroyed warehouses are replaced, but the memory remains: the night sky lit in fire, the port city shook, and lives changed forever. For Tianjin, the explosions are not just an event, they are a lesson in what happens when human systems meet beastly chemical energy and the chain of oversight fails.